Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your homes. I am your teacher Mumal Iqbal and I teach you mathematics in class 3. Today date is 23rd of August 2021. Day is Monday. So students, as you all know that in last online lecture we have started lesson number 4, and lesson number 4 name is rounding numbers. So I defined you that what is rounding number: replacing a number with an approximate value that has a shorter, simple or more representation is called rounding numbers. We have round numbers to nearest 10. So today's objective is students will be able to round numbers to the nearest 100. So today we are rounding numbers to the nearest 100. So resources are textbook pages 18 and 19 and workbook page 15. So here are word bank which I already introduced you these words, and I know you all are very familiar with these words and you have memorized these words. So I repeat it again. There is the ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then nearest, we use nearest in round of topic, approximately, and this is the symbol of approximately. And we also we also say this symbol, the rounding off. Okay, this symbol means rounding off or approximately. When this symbol is come in between two numbers, we understand, this is understood that here we round off these numbers. Okay, and we use downward, backward words, upward, forward words for rounding off. As you all know that in last lecture we have count back when we have doing the rounding of numbers in nearest to the 10. So this is the vocabulary, this is the word bank which I have provided earlier in my lecture. So you all know the place values of ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, that where ones stand, where tens stand, where hundreds stand and where thousands stand. So as you all are knowing that we have already started the lesson number 4, rounding off nearest to the 10. So let's go on the textbook page 18. So here is the textbook page 18. You all have to open it and write date and day on it. So as you all know that we have learned how to round off the number to the nearest 10. It's our last topic. So on page number 18, question number 5 is round 7996 to the nearest 10. Now we have to round off the number to nearest 10. Which number? 7996. And I told you the lower numbers and higher numbers, that if in ones place there is lower number, so we have to count back, we have to less the numbers, and if there is a higher number in ones place, so we have to count forward, okay, in bigger number, in larger number. Okay, so here in number 7996, in ones place there is a number 6. So we all know 6 is the higher number. So 7996 is between 7990 and 8000. So 7096 is nearer to 7990 and then to 8000. So what is the approximately or round of 7996? The round off of 996 is 8000, because the 6 is in ones place the 6 is higher number, so we have to count forward. So the round of the approximately of 7996 is 8000. Okay, in question number 6 there is round each number to the nearest 10. So here you have to round these numbers which they have given, and then you fill that blanks. Okay, in question number 7 a number rounded to the nearest 10 is 50. So what could the original number be? What are the possible answers? What is the smallest answer? What is the greatest answer? So use the number line to help you. Okay, here they have given you number line. You have to use this number line and give the following questions answer. So I hope you all have clear idea how to round off 1000 numbers, 100 numbers in nearest to 10. So now we are going to start the same topic, but the topic is rounding numbers to the nearest 100. Now in last lecture I introduced the topic rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Today we are going to start rounding numbers to the nearest 10. Now how we round to nearest 10? That rounding off to the nearest 100 involves looking at the last two digits of the numbers. For example, study the digit in the tens and ones place. Like if the number formed by the digits in the ones place and tens place is formed from 0 to 49, then rounded off to the lower 100. Okay, like here I have written that if there is a number in tens place or ones place, the number is 0 to 49. Like here I have written the number 736. Okay, so if here you are saying in tens place, which number is there? 3, and in ones place there is a number 6. So here I told you that if the number is 0 to 49 means in इसके बीच में अगर कोई नंबर आ रहा है हमारे पास टेंस एंड वंस में, सो वी हैव टू राउंड ऑफ टू द लोअर 100. So means the 736 rounding off is 700 because in tens and ones place the number is 36. If the number is 50 to 99, then how we round out? We round the number higher 100. So we have to count forward to higher 100. Like here I have written a number 686. So what is the rounding of 686? So here I told you that 50 to 99. In tens place there is a number 8 and in one place there is a number 86. So the round off means we have to count forward. So the 686 round off is 700. Okay, what is the round off is 700. In tens there is a lower number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the lower number and higher numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In 100, in nearest when we have to round in 100, so the lower 100 is 0 to 49. If in the place values there is a number in tens and when 0 to 49, so we have to count backward in hundreds, and if the numbers are in tens and ones 50 to 90, so we have to count forward. Okay, we have to count forward, we have to count on, and we have to jump on greater number. ठीक है, 50 to 99 higher 100 and 0 to 49 is lower 100. Okay, here are the examples. Like 7, we have round of 736 to 700 and 686 to 700. Now here is one example. Like here you can see that I write a number 154. Now we have to round off this number to the nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10. So which digit we have to look? We have to look on the digit 4, that on ones place. Okay, on one place there is a number 4. So we know that 4 is a lower number. So we have to count back. We have to jump back to. We have to jump on lower number. So the what is the round of 154 is 150 or 160. its rounding of 154 rounding off is 150 because the number in ones place is 4. This is I am telling you the nearest 10. Now in nearest 100 we have to see the number in tens place and also in ones place. Now there is a number 54. Now 54 is the lower 100 or higher 100. Now here is that lower 100 what comes 0 to 49 and higher 100 50 to 99. So here we have 54. So 54 is higher number. So we jump to the higher number. So 154's round off is 200 or 100. Its round off is 200 because in tens and one place the number is 54 and 54 is higher 100. So the round off we have to jump high. So the 154 nearest 100 is 200 or the 154 approximately equal to 200 or 154 rounding off is 200 and this is this sample means is rounding off or approximately equals to. Now come to textbook page number 19. As I introduced you that today we are going to rounding numbers to the nearest 100. So in this Hassan, Sana and Asad are taking part in a race. What is the approximate distance that each child has covered? Now in this picture you can see that Hassan 236 meter and Sana is 478 meter and Asad is 750 meter. Hassan has covered a distance of 236 meter. So here is a number line. So 236 is nearer to 200 than to 300. We get 200 when we round 236. Now here we can see that the 236 is in tens place and in one place there is a number 36 and we know that 36 is lower 100. So the round off of 236 is 200. Okay. So we get 200 when we round 236 to the nearest 100. 236 rounding off is 200 or 236 approximately equal to 200. Hassan has covered about 200 meter. To round a number to the nearest 100, look at the digit in the tens place. Okay, I have already told you that in